How to delete call history on Messenger. First, open the Messenger application on your device. Over here, you can find the list of chats that you have had. Now, if you tap on the calls icon at the bottom of your screen, over here you will find the list of calls that you have made. So this is basically your call history. If you want to delete this, you can simply press and hold on the account name and then tap on delete. So in this way, you can one by one delete your call history. Now there is no way of directly deleting all of your call history, so you have to do this one by one. Now another way is you can simply open up the conversation in which you have made the call and then tap and hold on this notification like this and then tap on remove. So in this way, you can simply remove it as well. So these are two ways on how you can delete your call history on Messenger. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.